Hello everyone, it's Claire. I do hope you're well. Today I am going to make some bookmarks, and in this video I'm going to make a dragon bookmark. If you want to check out the website, I've got some lovely new bookmarks in. The detail is absolutely fantastic on them, and this one is 12 centimeters and they're nice and sturdy so they don't bend. So I've got my bookmark, have some glue. I've got some 12mm Cabochon settings, and these are Cabochons. These are actually resin and they've got scales on them, so I thought they'd be great for the dragon bookmark. 8mm jump rings and 5mm jump rings. I'm not sure what size I'm going to be using yet. And I've got some beads, and again these are green and blue and purple, so I thought those would be good to use. And I also have some tools. Now I've got some chain nose pliers, and these are a universal plier. Use them for opening and closing jump rings, shaping wire and holding small items. And the tapered nose helps to get into awkward places and is ideal for using with crimps and crimp beads. Next we have round nose pliers, and these are a tool for making loops in wire, and you can also create your own eye pins. This is an eye pin, so you would use these if you just had a piece of wire for making loops, which I will show you later on. You can also use these for wire wrapping. And then I've just got a pair of flat nose pliers, and these I'm going to use to help open and close the jump rings, but they're great for holding flatter and larger surfaces and for bending. These are just some cutters for cutting some wire. But if you want to check out the website, all the supplies are available. So I am going to use an eye pin. I'm going to, these eye pins are 50mm. They come in lots of different sizes. So I'm going to put 4 on here, and then I'm going to actually make a loop. And what you have to do is you need to have about 1 centimetre. So I'll just take this ruler. And then we need to cut off the excess. So, and then I'm going to take my cutters and I'm going to snip and hold on to the end because it will fly off. And then what we do, I take the chain nose pliers and I'm going to bend it 90 degrees. I'm then going to take the round nose pliers and I'm going to put it on the end. Like, you don't want to feel anything sticking out the end. And then we are going to turn back on ourselves, holding on to this, turn, take this one, turn. Can you see? And obviously we need to bring it right in because we don't want anything falling off. So that's how you make a dangle, and you can obviously use these to make your earrings. So I'm now going to take a jump ring. I'm going to open the jump ring of a dangle. Then we are going to put it through here and then close. There we go. So that's that one. And we want to make it longer. Now what I'm going to do, put that one over here. I'm just going to take these settings so we're going to add some small amount of glue and then you just pop them in. And these dry ever so quickly. Again, small amount of glue. But I think these are fabulous for scales. And they make great Christmas presents and birthday gifts. If you've got a book lover, these are great to make. Right, let's pop the lid on there. Okay, I want those to dry. And what I want to do is attach these onto here. These I'm going to let dry and then I'm going to go ahead and make another one. So I'm going to put another 4 beads. Obviously you can use whatever you want to. These are glass beads, you can use acrylic, wood, whatever you want to. So again, we need 1 centimetre. We take the cutters and we cut it 1 centimetre. Throw that one away. And again, we take our chain nose pliers and we're just going to do a 90-degree bend. Then we take our round nose pliers. And what you want to try and do is when you do your bend, you want to make it so it's in line with this one as well. So again, we pop this on the end. That's still sticking out, no good. There we go. Take this one, I'm going to bend, and then bend. Now you can see they're not level, so it's very easy, just turn them. Then make sure that there's no gap, which there isn't. Just make that a little bit bigger. It's a little bit too small. And turn. There we go. So there's that one. Now I'm going to join these together. I'll use 8mm. And I think I will use, I'm going to use a blue one on here, or I could just, no, I'm going to use a purple one. I may not even use all 3, I'll just, so again, we take our jump ring, take our pliers, open, so we are going to attach this one, thread it through here, attach that one, and also attach this one. So that's why you need to have a larger, stronger jump ring. The 5mm would be too small. And close. So that's what we've got so far. Let's attach this one. We'll see what it looks like. So again, open jump rings. You always twist side to side. So we're going to thread this one and this one. I could probably get away with a smaller size jump ring actually on this one. Should I do the smaller? No, I will do the larger, just because it's strong. You never know, I might add something else on. That's that one so far. Or shall I put one here? No, I'll put one here. So I'm going to open this one back up. I don't really like opening jump rings back up again. I always think it makes them a little bit weaker. So if you can be more organised than me, obviously you would have attached it at the same time, but I didn't know what I was going to do. Okay, let me just check which way this is going to hang. So we've got one that side and I want one this side. And then close. So this is the finished bookmark. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.